Welcome! In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to disable notifications for pinned messages on the Telegram app for PC after the new update. If you're tired of getting constant pop-ups whenever someone pins a message in your chats or groups, this quick guide will help turn them off in just a few seconds. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. If you're already logged in, you'll see your recent chats on the main screen. Next, look to the top left corner of the window where you'll find 3 horizontal lines. That's the main menu. Click on those 3 lines to open the sidebar. From the sidebar, scroll down a little and choose Settings. This is where all your Telegram preferences are stored, including privacy options, appearance, sound, and notifications. Once you're inside the Settings menu, go ahead and click on Notifications and Sounds. This section controls everything related to message alerts and how Telegram notifies you about activity within chats and groups. Now scroll through the notification options until you find pinned messages. It should be listed among other notification types like message previews and mentions. When you find it, simply click the switch or toggle next to pinned messages to turn it off. Once the toggle is disabled, Telegram will stop sending you alerts whenever someone pins a message. That's it. You've successfully disabled pinned message notifications on Telegram for PC. From now on, you can focus on your conversations without being interrupted every time a new message gets pinned.